So hey, what's up guys, this is your Tech Freak MB, and in this video, I have the Android P launcher directly ported from Android P stock ROM. So let's see what we have in this stock launcher. So let's get started with this video. And if you have noticed that the stock has increased a lot in this first preview of the launcher, and as you can see in the previous Pixel 2 launchers, you don't have the mic over the search bar. Just kind of not a good addition, I would say, but nice to see that Google is adding. By tapping on this is not a Google Now tap on, this is the Google Assistant tap on, so that's a good thing. And also you just tap on it and get this search bar, which is nice to see, and it works on my device perfectly. I'm using the Redmi Note 5, and soon I'm going to make some videos on it, but still nothing to show about this one. But talking about the launcher, it has nothing to offer for the Android 7 device, so don't expect much. You can see very basic to basic stuff is given, and nothing special. So that's a small preview of the Android P launcher. If you like this video, you can just grab the launcher from the description first of all, and like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such new content on this channel. So thanks for watching. This is Manik and I'm signing off, and have a great day.